Well, I just fixed my Mazda 3, and it might be a band-aid fix, it might be a permanent fix, I may have solved something, but I have fixed my Mazda 3, and she shifts beautifully now. Okay, so my Mazda 3 has almost 185,000 miles, 184,765 miles, and today I'm driving to show you proof right now that I fixed how it shifts. So based on the previous videos before, I have mentioned that shifting from fourth to third, either in manual mode, which is what I'm in now, or in automatic mode, it shifts rough, and it hits downshifts with a thud. So I'm gonna show you with proof that whatever I use bars transmission repair. It basically eliminates slipping transmissions and rough shifting. I'm gonna show you now that this ain't no joke. So right now I'm in third, I'm gonna put it in fourth, coming up to a stoplight here, just downshifting to third, no issues. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the highway just now, right now, and it shifts even better and smoother. I'm telling you, I went through when it first started, I went through topping it off with transmission fluid, didn't work. I did my own transmission flush and I added bars transmission repair, and for the first 2 days, or about roughly 150 miles, it hasn't done a thing. Now the bottle does says it can take up to 100 miles for the effect, and right now the effect works. Thank God, because I do thank it for everything, that actually it works, and I don't have to part ways with my Mazda just yet. I can still daily drive it until it gets me issues. Now, this may be a band-aid fix, but at the same time, I think it's a permanent fix. I think my personal opinion is, they were saying that when I was going on Facebook, there was a few possible things that was happening. One, either it's there's stuff in the valve body of the transmission that got sticky, and basically until it warms up, it's going to be shifting rough. That could be a possibility. At the same time, it could also be an electronic issue, could be a TCM reset need to be done, but that was an issue. Also, another issue it could be is simply for the fact that the solenoid is lazy, and when it heats up, it gets better. But I think this thing fixed whatever was happening, and now cold or hot, it shifts smoothly. Because even during when everything warms up, I can feel it that it's not shifting smoothly, because this Mazda 3 actually has a dual clutch transmission. Not almost like a dual clutch, but it is a dual clutch. It's pretty much a dual clutch transmission, and it's supposed to have some smooth shifts. But in this case, it's not, even when it's warmed up. Right now, it's warmed up, and it has smooth shifts. I'm going to show you proof that it actually fixed this. All right, that's third. Going on the freeway now. That's fourth. Now, downshifted to third, just smooth. Perfect. Basically, I hate being around these guys up here. I mean, I'm a truck driver, but I hate being around guys that do these junk. You're supposed to close it. I don't know why it's not closing, but anyway. Yeah, this has definitely fixed my issue. I am thankful that I fixed this issue. It is perfect. Now I just can keep driving around, daily driving this Mazda 3 how it is meant to be. I mean, it's modified, but yeah, I still daily it. Not canceled.
Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.